I tell what my fabrics are going to look like in my quilt design? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, PreQuiltcom, and embroidery. So choosing fabric for your quilt can be challenging and it can be difficult because sometimes even when we have beautiful fabrics and they look really nice together, we don't always know what it's going to look like in our particular quilt pattern that we're making. And our quilting ancestors, they just had to use their intuition and trial and error to be able to visualize what that fabric would look like in that quilt. But today with our technology, we don't have to rely on that. We can actually see what our fabric is going to look like in our quilt pattern. So PreQuilt is an online app that will help you see exactly what your fabrics will look like in your quilt pattern before you even start cutting. Today, I'm going to show you a little demo of how I use it. Here I am at PreQuiltcom. And if you just scroll down the home page, you can see it does a lot of different things. You can design your own blocks. You can put those into quilts. You can play with colors. There are so many things you can do that I'm not talking about right now. So be sure to go and check that out for yourself. And for a lot of those things, you do have to create an account. But I'm going to show you something you can do even without logging in. And if you come up here to where it says color pages and click there, then it will take you to a whole bunch of quilt designs from a lot of different designers, and these are all uploaded right into PreQuilt. So you can play around with these to see what they're going to look like in other colors. So I'm just going to go in search here and oh, look at this one. This is me. So I'll click there and this will come up to my quilt designs that are uploaded into PreQuilt. And I'm going to pick this one, Friendship Trails. So I'll come over here and click on Color This Quilt. So here is Friendship Trails quilt. And this is a quilt pattern that uses 4 different colors. So here's what it looks like kind of in purple. But if I come over here to where it says Fabric Links, then I can click on one of these. And then this little palette will come up and I can see what it looks like in all different kinds of colors. So let's try it out in green and see what that looks like. I can change these other ones to green. Let's see. Oh, maybe that one. And so here's what it would look like in all green. And these colors are Kona cottons, but this drop-down menu means I can pick colors from many different manufacturers. So you can go in and pick the exact color, either the color that you have or the color that you want to go buy at the store. So these are all solids. If you want to use prints, then that is something that you do need to have an account and be logged in to try prints, but you can use solids. And so this is a fun way just to play with different colors and see what you like. But another fun option is this button up here where it says randomize colors. And if you click on that, then the computer will just pick 4 random fabric colors and put those in. And this is a really fun way to see some combinations that you never really thought of before. And of course, some of them you might not like and some of them you'll really like. And if you just keep clicking there until you get something that you like, and if you see one color that you want to save, then you can come over here. Let's say I really like this papaya color. I can click lock. So that means the other colors will randomize, but that one is going to stay in there. That one is stuck there. And oh, I like the blues with that. So maybe I can lock the blues and then I can see what else I would like. Oh, so that one's interesting. Oh, the purple's nice. So I could keep trying just other colors going in that one spot. And maybe I like this one. So you just keep going You can freeze colors that you like, or you can have all the colors be going random. And when you have something that you like, you can download the image for that. And up here, you can go and buy the pattern. So then you would know you have the pattern, you'd have all the fabrics chosen, you would know exactly what your quilt is going to look like before you even start cutting the fabric. So the only problem with PreQuilt is that in just minutes, I can digitally create 10 or 20 quilts that I would love to make, and I do not possibly have the time or the money to make all the quilts that I can design and enjoy on PreQuilt. That is a problem. But sometimes designing quilts digitally is just enough to kind of satisfy the creative itch that I have, and that's good enough. So if you want to try PreQuilt, then just click the link below to give it a try, and I think you'll like it as much as I do. For more quilting tutorials and inspiration, be sure to check out my website, epidastudio.com.